At the end of each week, I reflect on a week and I put sticky notes for everything that went well. Now you can do that every day if your schedule allows it, but I do it every week. And at the end of every month, I pour it out, and it helps me have gratitude because this work is tough. It'll beat you up. You'll think about all the things that went wrong. You'll think about burnout, but this is about rewiring the brain. So celebrate those daily successes, and no success is too small. I surveyed about 100 random helping professionals, social workers, therapists, case managers, directors of organizations. And what I asked them was, what do you have the most difficulty disconnecting from at the end of the workday? Utilizing grounding techniques or coping skills. We help many of our clients with those. We're going to learn how to do those for ourselves today. Like the breathing. Breathing calms the reactive part of our brain, so that's a grounding technique that you can implement today. Burnout can happen from doing any job. So someone who's working 12 hours a day, they're not really getting any breaks, maybe they're behind a desk, they're just tired, but they're not experiencing seeing clients in trauma, suffering, and pain. That's the major difference between compassion fatigue and burnout. Compassion fatigue is specific to the people in this room. That's something that you can do when you're in the midst of a chaotic day, just to get yourself refocused, to get yourself grounded, to get yourself back to your center so that you can go on about the day. And remember, like with anything else, the more you practice it, the better that you're going to get out of it. That's a great way to calm the mind. I tried. I never recommend anything to the people who attend my workshops or clients that I haven't tried or I'm not in the process of trying. If you're spending time listening to someone's story, you might be the first person in their life who ever listened to their story, and that could be healing for them to get that out. Part of self-care is actually setting aside at least 30 minutes without work, without phone, and eating and enjoying that moment. That is mindfulness. That is being present in a moment and having focused awareness, because the brain needs time to disconnect from this work that you do. Because if you don't, then that's why you're exhausted. That's why you have compassion fatigue and maybe on the way to burnout.